Please.
See, Nabila, you need to understand any minister, whether he is in the cabinet or no, is the sole prerogative of the chief minister. Please understand this. Let us not have any confusion on this. What is Rahul Gandhi fighting about? Rahul Gandhi is fighting about BJP and Narendra Modi being a prime minister and a government in power by fraud. And how has this fraud happened? The fraud has happened, rightly you have mentioned.
Why didn't you do
Coalition
anything when
between
the fraud was
India.
right in front of your
You
eyes in
should not come
2018
in between
elections? When the
Nabila.
fraud was right in
You
front
should
of your
not
eyes
become
in
the
2024
spokesperson.
Lok Sabha elections, why didn't you do anything?
Nabilaji, you should not become the spokesperson of the BJP. Please allow me to
Sir,
say.
I'm doing a better
And
job
as
than
you
you.
rightly said, and I am proud of Nabila today. You rightly said, coalition between ECI and Narendra Modi. Beautiful. Super.
I said this is
This
the
is what I
allegation.
say.
The coalition between EC and BJP allegation leveled by the Congress does not seem to
Thank you so much.
have given any
Thank you
result
so
to you
much.
because even the Supreme Court
So,
is more aligned with what the EC is
thank you
doing
so much,
than with your
Nabilaji, for
narrative.
speaking. Thank you so much for speaking the truth on News 9. It is the real coalition between Narendra Modi and GCI, and it's a
Sir,
murder of democracy, and I will tell you why. This is a fraud based on addition, like what has happened in Maharashtra. It is a fraud based on deletion, like what is happening in Bihar. And it is
why
a
did you
fraud.
not raise objections?
What
Why
is
were
happening
petitions not
in
filed? Why was adequate
I will tell
protests
you
not
how.
launched? Why were protests not launched at that point? Is
If
this
you
not
come
trying
in
to
between now
benefit
the
ahead of
people of
Bihar
India,
election?
if you come in between the people of India will not understand Satya Prakash in the true spirit. Please allow me to have a free run on your show, and I will expose Modi and BJP in your show today.
Okay,
What has happened?
I'll allow you to say what you want only if you answer one question of mine.
Tell
I'm
me.
just
You want
asking you,
question?
why did Rajana
After I
quit?
answer your question,
I'm
you have
just
to give me
asking
a
you, why did Rajana
and
quit?
I will
Or
expose
have you
BJP and
fired
Nabila
Modi
is
him?
not
together
You're
in
quit.
not
the
Why would
answering
country.
my
he
question,
out?
sir.
Why would he this in
Of the chief
Karnataka?
minister, the
Why is it
constitution
that you
says,
oust him
the
so why
constitution
is it
says
that the
any
Congress draws
minister
a red
says
line
and
with
declared as
questioning
a
Rahul
prerogative of
Gandhi?
the chief
Was it not
minister.
a legitimate
We
question?
don't want to
Don't go
see
all
any
around the country.
hooliganous
Speak Karnataka.
recommendation on
Let me
who
see you
should be in
answer
the cabinet.
Karnataka. No,
We
please let
don't
us
want
see
to
you
see
answer. Why did you
hooliganous
oust K.N.
recommendation on who
Rajanna?
should be in
Why
the
did you
Congress
oust the
cabinet.
only?
It is chief
Please,
minister
please.
Siddharamaya's
The
prerogative
ST
who will
community
stay
is
as a
out on the
cabinet
streets
minister
with
in
this
his
kind of
cabinet.
Okay,
betrayal.
you
It is
know,
There's
to
no
not
be
anything
justice.
honest,
going wrong with China.
both of y'all speaking over the other is not going to help. At least what you have to say should be comprehensible to our viewers. None of it is
Please
we're
ask
able to
your question,
understand.
Nabila. Please ask
Sir,
your question. I will answer.
just one
Let me
question
come
I
in.
have. Sir,
Nabila, let
Ramakrishna
me come
sir,
in
one
too.
moment. I
You
have
for
one
truth.
question for the Congress spokesperson. Why has Rajana resigned? That's all I'm asking you. Has he been fired? Has he been ousted? Or has he willingly resigned? What happened?
I'll tell you. On one side, Rahul ji is fighting the battle of democracy, belittling of democracy.
So on the other hand, Rajana
Electoral
saying the truth
democracy.
has irked the Congress and therefore they've said, get out of the cabinet.
On one side, Rahul ji, Satya Prakash, Siddaramaiah ji, DK Shivkumar, all the 350 MPs, opposition MPs across India are fighting this. What are they fighting? They are fighting the fraud. Everyone knows what has happened.
And on the other hand, you have Rajana who stated the obvious, which is why the Congress got really angry.
See, I will tell you. According to Section 23, everyone knows what is there in Section 23.
No,
Within
but
30 days,
Rajana
we
stated
have
only
to.
the obvious, no? Rajana
I'll tell
said
you.
when we were in power, there was vote theft happening then also. They should have taken action then. He stated
We
the
had-
obvious.
we-
He's not said any lie.
We had
He's not said anything
We
wrong.
had absolute confidence on Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India has become election fraud of India. We never
Sir,
knew
answer
that.
the
Okay.
question.
Why it has
All
become
right.
like that? Why
You
it
know,
has become
you're,
like
Not
that?
your
you're
own
clearly
party
not
has
answering
been,
my one
We
clear
had
question I
absolute
asked you, but
confidence
I'll
on
bring in
Election
our
Commission of India.
analyst here,
Today
our
we don't
political
have
expert,
confidence on
Mr.
Election
Ramakrishna.
Commission of
Please,
India because Election
please go.
See, Nabila, we all need to understand one thing. चोरी तीन तीन तरफ से हो रहा है. एक डिलीशन है. कर्नाटक में जो हो रहा है डिलीशन भी नहीं है, एडिशन भी नहीं है, मैनिपुलेशन है. Now I want to bring, both my friends don't understand, what has happened in 2023. In 2023, who is the custodian of electoral rolls? Is the ARO custodian of electoral rolls? Is an RO custodian of electoral rolls? No. The custodian of all electoral rolls is the Election Commission of India. The buck stops with Election Commission of India. If an ARO or an RO does anything,
What are you
have to
asking for?
dismiss it.
But Satya Prakash, it's so confusing because on one
You
hand
have
you
to-
have,
you
on
have-
one
you
hand you
have-
have
I mean,
admitted that there are false, fake voters.
you
On one
allow
hand you have
Nabila
admitted
Ahmed
that there are
to
fake
BJP
voters.
involved?
On the other hand, you're saying
How
this
is the
SIR
BJP
is rigged.
involved?
Whenever I speak, you have problem even with
No,
1
sir.
minute. You please allow me, no? You think I am fighting
Because
one
you are
against
trying
three.
to
Give me
defend
time.
the indefensible.
I expose all of them.
Did you say
I
one
expose all
against
of them.
three?
Give me time.
That is so unfair.
See,
Okay, I'll give you time.
In Karnataka, what has happened is there was an organization called Chilume. It is an RSS-based backed organization. That organization did all the hangama what has happened in 2023. Congress at that time raised an alarm that BBMP officials have used an RSS-backed organization to do this addition and deletion votes. This
Sir,
Chilume
addition and deletion of
RSS-backed
votes has
organization
happened across
is
party
responsible
lines.
for all the
Let's
what
not
has
get
happened
into the
today.
organizations or groups that
No,
have
please
worked for the
understand.
Congress.
It was an organization
Each party
that was
have their own
headed by a
shadow
guy who
army.
was close
Let's not get
affiliated
into that
with
dirty
RSS.
discussion.
And this organization
All
is
parties
handing
have their
down to
shadow
UPI.
armies. If the BJP has the RSS, we know what the Congress has. So let's cut that out. Let's cut that. A final word. I don't have endless time
You
here.
want
Final
me to
word,
be a
Mr.
loose
Ramakrishna.
spectator?
When there is
Give up power now.
Democracy at risk
You
today.
won in a fraudulent
Election
way. Is that
Commission
what
is a
you're
puppet in
accepting?
the hands of
Is that what you're
Modi.
accepting? You have,
How
there is
can
zero
you
I
clarity.
still haven't been able to understand.
Zero clarity.
Okay, I still haven't been able to understand. Do you want the SIR drive or you don't want the SIR drive?
They don't know, Nabila. They
No,
don't know.
let Satya Prakash respond.
Pardon?
Sir, you want the
is
SIR drive,
different.
you don't want
SIR
the-
drive means you are deleting the votes. What has happened in Karnataka is manipulation. Please understand. What has
Please
happened in
explain to
Maharashtra
us.
is
So we have given a
addition.
point-by-point
SIR
rebuttal
is
of exactly
deleted.
what you
Please
made an
understand.
allegation on.
SIR
Go
is
file an
deleted.
affidavit. Go file an affidavit. What is
In
stopping you from
Telangana,
filing
in
an
Telangana
affidavit?
under Congress,
File an affidavit.
in Telangana under Congress, the voters' names were deleted there also. At that time, there was no hue and cry by the Congress.
You don't have the guts to do any of that. You're just crying foul.
Satya
You do it.
Prakash, okay, allow me to ask Satya Prakash. In Telangana under Congress government, voters' names were deleted before elections.
If any voter was deleted, who deleted? Did Congress government delete it?
No, under
Election
EC
Commission
only, it was the same
deleted it.
EC drive, but we didn't see this kind of vehement protest by you.
You have, this is, you know,
What
the
I'm telling
entire
you, we have to keep
drama
quiet for a minute, we will go
and
one by one.
realizing
Okay.
Congress has zero game
Surabhi,
plan.
we will speak
Zero.
one by one.
You don't
Surabhi,
want to build
we will speak
institutions,
one
you
by
want
one.
to break.
When it happened back then, y'all didn't complain. Now y'all are raising a hue and cry. So, you know, obviously
See,
timing
problem is
is a question, but nonetheless, a final word from Mr. Ramakrishna.
We have gone
Nabila, I
to
think
court
every-
What
instead of
will the
fine.
Election
This is
Commission of
not-
India do?
instead
Sleep?
of standing
What is
in,
it
instead of
doing with
standing
Election
in
Commission of
preaching
India
at
to
each
sleep?
instead
It is
of
the
one
duty
second,
of
sir.
Election
I know you
Commission
like
of India to
going
do
against
this.
election
Okay,
commission. That's
can
why
you for a
Do
moment allow
some
Satya
work.
Prakash
Do
to
some
give his
work.
last
Don't do
word?
drama. Do
Satya
some work.
Prakash, I'll give you that last word. What exactly
Yeah,
do you
thank
want
you.
from the EC now?
Whose job is it
No,
to
don't
give a
quit.
clean
I'm asking you
voter,
what you want from the EC,
roles
Satya
in this
Prakash.
country?
I'm asking you what do you want from the EC?
See, what we want from an EC is stick on to the principle of one man, one vote. Remove this one man, multiple votes in favor of Modi. That's exactly what we're asking.
Wrong.
But
Disinformation,
on the contrary,
disinformation.
EC
There are
says that's
multiple
exactly
votes
what
that
they're
are
doing.
there in Varuna
Anyways,
constituency.
end of the matter here. The Supreme Court has also said it seems like a trust deficit. You need to work on that. You need to start trusting the Election Commission a little more.